Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Today I'm going to share few DIY kitchen decor ideas which can be easily made at home with waste and discarded items. So let's get started. First, we are making a kitchen wall sign with a waste chopping board. I have painted it with the white base chalk paint. Now we need some pictures of food items from magazines, newspapers or cookbooks. Colorful and good-looking food pictures will help. Once the pictures are selected, we need to burn the edges with the help of candle, like this. We are doing this with all the pictures. It will give a very nice look to the DIY. Also, we need some random cuttings from newspaper or magazines with burnt edges. Now I have taken the chopping board and using this stencil to make a brick wall. With the help of a sponge, I have taken the black paint and with very light hand I am dabbing it on the stencil. It shouldn't look even. Some areas like top can be dark and as you come down it should be light or faded. Next I have written the message on the top. Now placing the food pictures on the left. Making it a collage of pictures. I am placing them in a way that they overlap each other. Now filling the gaps and sides with the newspaper cuttings. The same to be done on the top part also. All the cuttings are placed. Now I am applying one thin coat of Mod Podge glue on the top. To decorate it further, I have taken a waste wooden ladle and tied a knot with a thin rope on it. Placing it here with the help of double tape. And that's it. DIY kitchen signboard is ready and it is looking gorgeous. For this wall art, we need a waste frying pan. I used to use this non-stick pan earlier but discarded it during my Diwali kitchen decluttering. You can get the link of that video in the description box. Now first I have painted the back side of the pan with white chalk paint. I have done double coat on this and this is how it's looking after drying. We will be doing decoupage on this. For that we need a decoupage napkin. As this is a kitchen wall art, I have picked up this cupcake printed napkin. Anything with food items will look good here. I will be using 4 cupcakes on this area, leaving the center part empty to write some quote or message. These are special napkins and usually have 3 layers and we need only the topmost layer. Be careful while removing as it is a very thin layer. Now by applying little water on the edges, we can separate the required particular area of napkin. Don't use scissors, just remove roughly with hands. Now applying Mod Podge glue first. Placing the cupcake slowly, starting from one edge and stretching it to the other corner. We have to be careful while using these napkins, as they can develop wrinkles if not placed properly. Similarly, I have placed 3 more cupcakes on different corners. I have applied another coat of Mod Podge glue on top. Now leaving it to dry. After drying, this is how it looks. Looks like we have done painting on this. Now in the center I have written Mummy Da Dhaba. You can write anything you like. Now to decorate it further, I have taken this thin rope and placed it on the edges of the pan. Handle is covered using the same rope. I have left the upper part of the handle as it is. Lastly, I have taken a small wooden spoon and painted it with yellow chalk paint and placed it here. and our beautiful pan-shaped wall sign is ready. For this DIY, we need a mid-size vase photo frame. Glass is not required, so removing it. We need colorful ice cream sticks. I have picked up these two colors. We need black chalkboard labels of any shape. I have picked up these rectangular shape labels. Then we need 7 initial alphabets of a week. And to decorate the frame, some decorative lace or rope. Size of the frame will decide number of sticks that can be placed in 7 sections. I have placed 3 in each section, then a chalkboard sticker next to it. As I have taken 2 colors, I am placing them alternatively and on alternative sides. Now placing the alphabets starting from Sunday. These are wooden alphabets. You may use plastic or cardboard alphabets as well. To decorate the frame, using this thin rope with leaves on it. And to write the heading, I have used this wooden label and placed it on the top corner. I have written this week's special on it with the combination of English and Hindi. And that's it. Weekly special menu board is ready. Hang it in your kitchen to write your weekly menu or anything special menu that is planned for a day. So these were the DIY kitchen wall signs which we made from discarded and waste items and could make our kitchen beautiful. Hope you found these DIYs helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.